Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a deep ocean metallic 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 4x4 Crew Cab LT, stock number A7134. Starting right way up front, you have factory fog lights and heavy-duty tow hooks. There's a beautiful chrome grille. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a general grabber tire. You have chrome tubular assist steps. Inside there is a black cloth upholstery, and that's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 3 up front, and you've also got seating for 3 back in the second row, making this a 6-passenger Silverado. You've got this great 4x4 bedside decal here. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There are side steps on the back bumper. You've got a trailer hitch and a backup camera. Inside of the truck bed, as you can see, it is very clean. That's in great shape. The reason that I'm showing you the Chevrolet today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments and all-weather floor mats. You have a 4x4 turn dial control. And then to the interior, to the left of the steering wheel, there are cruise control buttons. On the right-hand side, you have audio controls. Looking at the rear view mirror, you do have OnStar capabilities. There's a great touchscreen display, which is where your backup camera will show. You do have a CD player, AM, FM radio, and capabilities for Sirius radio. Underneath of that, there are dual climate controls. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. You have a 5.3-liter V8 engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 22 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on the Silverado or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.